Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Join us today as we go for an impromptu horse-drawn tram ride along Douglas Promenade here in the lovely Isle of Man. Good boy, Alec. You've just done your bit, haven't you, baby? Oh, I thought he'd finish, bless him. He's not, he's going back. We're sat at the terminus. I don't know if you can see the sign up there. It's a fabulous little tavern. Right where the horses change. Oh, he is changing, bless him. Who's going in his place? Andrew. We normally see Andrew. Andrew must work afternoons. Alex must work mornings. Do they only do an hour? They're beautiful. There's the electric tram pulling away. That's going back to Laxey. And here's our horse-drawn tram.
That's what we should do now. We should get a day in the tram.
Yeah.
Go from Ramsey to Laxey, up to Stayford, back down again to here. Then we've got all the trains in there, haven't we?
Yeah. Once the horse and the tram has gone, that's the view we're left with. Another tram's just pulled in. So pretty. Snap. We've decided we're going to go on the tram.
She actually makes it goes past first. It's William.
Hello, William.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Go and have some water and cool down. Beautiful boy. And who are we going to be?
A bit small, that's one.
Doesn't mean to say he's any less. Oh, why
Oh,
did
yes, it has.
Oh, I see. Yeah. Let's go up here. Yeah. Oh, we're on Nelson.
Well, it's up.
Here we go. There's Nelson about to get on front. Well, we're about to head off.
Hey, you couldn't see it coming. You might have thought it, but you couldn't change it. Hey, it's not right or wrong. It's about trying, find the silver lining. Rain and fire, highs and lows, you name it. Cold and warmth, laughs and cries, you have it. The world goes by, and by the time it does, you missed it. You didn't your fears lean, light is at your feet. Yes, regret is worse than failing. Keep the loved ones close, close enough. Rain and fire, highs and lows, you name it. Cold and warmth, laughs and cries, you have it. The world goes by, and by the time it does, you missed it. You didn't see it flew by. 'Cause time's not waiting for me or you. You will miss it if you don't catch it in time. In time. In time.
Prosecuted in the end.
Yes. There is the Manannan heading off. Did you see me?
No. We're going to call it a day there. Thanks for joining us, folks. See you soon.